In case of crystal field theory, it is said that when the lone pair of electrons of ligand approaches towards vacant d orbital of metal, the degeneracy of d orbital gets splitted in two groups. T2g group, which include dxy, dyz, dxz orbitals, and EG, which include dx square, y square, dz square orbitals. Let's take the example of octahedral complex and let's have a discussion how CFT explain the octahedral complex. So CFT in octahedral complex. See, in case of octahedral complex, the metal is present at the center. 4 ligands are present in a single plane and 2 ligands are present along the axis. अगर मैंने कोई ये एक बुक को जो 2 डायमेंशनल है इसको एज इट इज प्लेन करके लिया, प्लेन, उस प्लेन को मैंने ऐसे होल्ड किया तो इस प्लेन के सेंटर में मेटल होगा, चारों कॉर्नर पे लिगैंड होगा. वन लिगैंड इज प्रेजेंट here and another ligand is present here. Means total 6 ligands are there. 4 ligands occupy the 4 corner and 2 ligands present at this vertices. Another is at this vertices, means they are present along the axis. And as in case of octahedral geometry, it is observed that जो d orbital के 5 सब orbitals है, dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square, y square, dz square, उनमें से dxy, dyz and dxz are present in the same plane. These dxy, dyz, dxz, that is T2g orbitals are present in the same plane. एक ही plane में, while dx square, y square, dz square, that is EG orbitals are present along the axis which is perpendicular to the plane. Ab ध्यान दीजिए, these are present along the axis. Now see, when we are saying that dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals are present in the same plane, तो उनका आपस में रिपल्शन कम रहेगा. They suffer less repulsion. Same plane में. But the orbitals which are present along the axis, which are perpendicular, so as it is perpendicular, this suffer repulsion from this one, this one, this one, this one. चारों तरफ से repulsion है, तो this orbital which is present along the axis, सब दिशा से repulsion है, suffer more repulsion. It suffer more repulsion. वो ज्यादा repulsion suffer करेगा. Let me explain graphical representation. Suppose this is energy level. d orbitals of central metal इनिशियली शुरुआती में जो d ऑर्बिटल्स है dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square, y square, dz square, they are present in the ground state. When electrons of the lone pair of the ligand started to approach towards the d orbital, the energy level of d orbital just increases. These d orbitals shifted to little higher energy, and when the lone pair of electrons of ligand overlap, occupy the vacant d orbital of the metal, the degeneracy of d orbital get destroyed into two groups. Which one? T2G and Eg. Just we discussed that these T2G orbitals are present in the same plane. Therefore, they suffer less repulsion. As they suffer less repulsion, they are splitted less than the expected value. This is expected value, energy level value. But as T2G orbitals suffer less repulsion, they are splitted less and occupy lower energy level dxy, dyz, dxz, that is T2G, and they are splitted less by 0.4 delta O, or you may call 4 dq. While Eg orbitals, they are present along the axis, they suffer more repulsion, and as it suffer more repulsion, these Eg orbitals splitted more than the expected, they are splitted more by 0.6 delta O or 6 dq. These are dx square, y square, dz square means Eg orbitals. They splitted more by 0.6 delta O. This O stands for octahedral geometry. And this complete splitting is nothing but delta O, or it is equal to 10 dq. This is called as a crystal field splitting. And ये जो crystal field splitting है in case of octahedral geometry, or you may call it tetrahedral geometry, it depends क्या करती है. Crystal field splitting depends upon two factors. One is strength of the ligand. Ligand की strength क्या है? Strong field ligand, more splitting. Weak field ligand, less splitting. Crystal field splitting depends upon two factors. Number one, strength of the ligand. Number two, oxidation number of central metal. Higher the oxidation number, more the repulsion, more the splitting. So this is nothing but octahedral geometry of the complex, which is explained by CFT. Regarding stability, CFT said that if electron enters in T2G orbital, going to be noted, if electrons enter in T2G orbital, it stabilizes the complex by 0.4 delta O, and if it enter into the Eg orbital, electron enter into the Eg orbital, it destabilizes the complex by 0.6 delta O. Let me revise how CFT explained the octahedral complex once again. See, In octahedral complex, central metal is present at the center itself और उसके अराउंड 6 ligands है. 4 ligands are present in the same plane and 2 ligands are present along the axis which is perpendicular to the plane. As these 4 ligands are present in the same plane and 2 along the axis, if we studied the position of the d orbital, then it is very clear that dxy, dyz, dxz, that is t2j orbitals are present in same plane. एक ही plane में, as they suffer less repulsion. As they suffer less repulsion, T2j orbitals splitted less than the expected energy level by 0.4 delta O or 4 dq. O stands for octet. While dx square y square and dz square, that is EG orbital, are present along the axis, hence suffer more repulsion, hence they are splitted more by 0.6 delta O or 6 dq. This splitting is called as a crystal field splitting, which is equal to delta O or 10 dq, and crystal field splitting depends upon strength of the ligand. More the strength of the ligand, strong field ligand splitting more. Number 2 depends upon oxidation number of metal. मेटल का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या है, उस पे डिपेंड करता है. It is observed that if electron enter into the T2j orbital, it stabilizes the complex by 0.4 delta O, and if electron enter into the EG orbital, it destabilizes the complex by 0.6 delta O. This is nothing but the explanation for the octahedral complex. Don't think, sir, octane is 8. Yes. See, when we consider this plane, and I kept this plane like this one, 4 ligand present at the corner, 2 ligand, one perpendicular at this place here, another perpendicular bottom here, and it is octahedral, means 1, 2, 3, 4. In the topward direction, 4 headings are there. Bottom also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 headings are there. 4 headings, 4 headings, 8 headings. That's why it is called as the octahedral geometry. 8 heads hai, that's why it is called as a octahedral geometry. So this is nothing but the octahedral complex of formation, which is explained by CFT. Let me continue with the tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry, and let me put the same thing here, and I will do little bit correction so that you could be able to understood the main difference between the explanation for octahedral and tetrahedral. क्या डिफर होता है, ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. In case of tetrahedral geometry, metal is present and 4 ligands are present at the vertices of regular tetrahedron. In case of tetrahedral geometry, d orbitals की पोजीशन अगर ध्यान दे तो dxy, dyz and dxz, that is T2j orbitals, are present in between the axis. Metal लिगैंड बॉन्डिंग के इन बिटवीन एक्सेस में ये DXY, DYZ, DXZ तीन ऑर्बिटल्स है। अब in the previous case they were in the same plane, less repulsion in between the axis C, उनके बीच में का गैप कम हो गया, गैप कम हुआ, इसका मतलब now DXY, DYZ, DXZ as present in between axes, therefore they suffer more repulsion, and dx square, y square, dz square are present along the axis. दूर हो गए along the axis, they are still present along the axis. दूर हो गए तो naturally they suffer less repulsion. And therefore, when the lone pair of electrons of ligand approaches towards vacant d orbitals of metal, they goes into the excited state, and when ligands give the pair of electrons into the vacant d orbital as dx square, y square, dz square, that is Eg orbital present along the axis, they suffer less repulsion, so they splitted less than the expected value and occupy the lower energy level dx square, y square, dz square, that is Eg orbital, splitted less by 0.6 delta T or 6 dq. T stands for tetrahedral, and dxy, dyz and dxz, that is T2g orbital, splitted more than the expected, achieve the higher energy level. They are splitted more by 0.4 delta T or 4 dq. Here also the splitting depends upon the strength of the ligand and oxidation number of metal, and this difference is called as crystal field splitting. It is observed that if electron enter into the Eg orbital, it stabilizes the complex by 0.6 delta T, and if electron enter into the T2g orbital, it destabilizes the complex by 0.4 delta T or 4 dq. This is the explanation which is given by CFT for tetrahedral complex. Tetrahedral complex and octahedral complex, very well explained by crystal field theory.